Is it actually working? Am I actually live right now? I didn't think it was possible. Hello. My live has not been working for like a week, and I was like, should I go live? Should I not go live? Hello. I am so excited. Okay, I literally did not think that this was gonna work. So I do have some artist trading cards that I received in the mail today. So I'm gonna open those. I'm so excited that I could be live. I have no idea what was going on, but fingers crossed nothing bad happens. So I received, so welcome if you are just joining. I have 3 envelopes here that came in the mail today, and I believe they all have artist trading cards in them. And so I'm gonna open them. I've got one from Talented Creations from Allie, so I'm excited about that. And then I have another from Germany. I'm gonna open that one. And then I have one from New Mexico. I'm so excited. I literally am just so excited right now that I'm actually like, it's working. Like, oh, there's so much I've been wanting to talk to you guys about. Hi, Terry. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm just so glad that this is working. I feel like bad when I can't interact with people. It's like, oh, it's just not good for my mental health. So, okay. I don't even know which one of these to open first. And I have 2 animals right here, like, stalking me, basically. Here's Lady. I'll show you quick. There's Lady. Hello. Hi. And then here is Bentley. They're both, like, right here. So try and set her down, and she's just like a crazy licker. I'm just so excited that I can be here with you guys. Okay, I need to stop freaking out about that. Oh, anyway, okay, I can't open it, and I'm at home. I'm not in my normal situation, but hello. Oh, thank you. I've already said thank you, but I'll just say thank you again. I know I can't. I'm just so excited right now. I actually have a good connection. Okay, let's see here. So this one is from Germany. This is Sarah is the name of the person. This is the second time that Sarah has sent me cards, which is really exciting. It says, hello, Becky. The cards I received last time were so beautiful. I love them all. I send you quite a few cards now, but you don't have to send me this many back. Have an awesome day. Thank you so much, Sarah. Oh, I am just so excited right now. So feel free to talk and don't make me talk the whole time. I don't know. But we're going to check out Sarah's cards here. So this one here, it says, Sarah, it says, oh dear. Oh, I got to do the backwards thing here. Hang on a second. Hello, if you're just joining. So Sarah is from Krefeld, Germany, maybe. It says, oh dear. Finkbeiner is the last name. So this is burned on paper with a pyrography pen. Wow, that is amazing. Huh, I've never heard of that before. So cool. And, oh, here is another one. Oh, I love this. We can do this together. Look at those hands. Holy moly, that's so good. So good. This is such a cool technique. I'm gonna have to check this out. This is kind of like the technique that I had seen of the person who did the paper that is like the sun paper. I just keep like adding things to the list of, you know, things that I think would be pretty cool to have. So that's so pretty, a bee and a flower. Hello. My live is working. I'm so excited. These are all from Germany, from Sarah Finkbeiner. And, oh, this is cute. On the back, it says plants are friends. And then on the front, it is like a room of plants. I'm sorry, my dog doesn't know how to get off of the couch with the tripod right here. I know, the one with the flower is so pretty. Are you getting down, Bentley? Okay, he just didn't know what to do there. Look at that one. Isn't that pretty? So cool. So cool. Oh, this is really fun too. I hope this brightens your day. Aww. See, she wrote that on the back. So cool. Oh, I'm just like, oh, it's just so exciting to see all of you out there. Not like I ever have a whole lot of people coming into my lives, but it's just very exciting. This one, oh, the fairy sitting on a mushroom. Oh, it's so cool. Fairy garden. This one here, very cool. Metallic-y paint, the unicorn. So many cards. There's no rush. Oh, the snail. That's fun. So fun. This one here, a baby snail with their parent. This is using acrylic paint and stickers. So cute. Have any of, like, if this came across my For You page, it's a cute spider. And I don't like spiders, actually. Unfortunately, there was one on the ceiling that I had to, like, get off of the ceiling and, you know. Anyway, but there was this video about this cute spider, and he had a cute little voice, and it kind of made me like that spider. I don't like spiders, but I don't know why this reminded me of that, because the snail, I was thinking of, you know, whatever. This is probably why they haven't let me go live, because I just randomly talk about weird things. That's so cute. Tea time. So cool. This one here says, hello, friend. That is so cute. A strawberry stegosaurus is what that one is. Oh yeah, look, there's strawberries on the back. That's so cute. This one here says, have a great day. Honestly, I didn't even think that TikTok was going to let me go live. So I just went live on a whim thinking I'm going to have to just record this. So I don't even have my setup for my YouTube. So I'm just going to have to like download this one. And then I'll have to post this to YouTube later. So you can watch the whole thing later. Oh, this is cool. This is like dot art. It's like a bunch of hole punches. Collage with pieces of old magazines. That's really neat. Yes, I am still doing this. And I've been trying to go live to do this for like the last 4 or 5 days. But for some reason, I have had troubles with my lives. But I am still doing it. So you can see all of the last ones that I've gotten on my YouTube channel. So, and I will post this one there later. So that way you can watch it if you would like to see the whole thing. So these ones come from Sarah Finkbeiner from Germany. And I'm at home. I'm not in my normal scene today, but that is just because, you know, I did stop in and I got the mail. And I got something really cool too. Like, oh, it's just so exciting. I'll have to show you in a little bit. I'm making a video, but I'll have to tell you about it. Oh, a cat and an ice cream. Have a great day and lots of ice cream. Oh, that's so cool. You got yours and you want to do another? Well, go ahead and do it. This is from Germany. This is the second time that I've got them from her. So I've actually, I had one person send in cards 3 times, I believe, is the most that I've had someone send cards in so far. And then this one here, try something new. It would be fun. Yes, do it. It is fun. So fun. Even like my hydro dipping. All of my stuff is still sitting outside, but it's kind of rainy out today, so probably not. And some good advice people were telling me about the hydro dipping is that the water should be warmer. So then someone tagged me in a post about using these marble paints, which I had never heard of before. So of course I had to like go look at them. I tell you, like, I don't have room for more things, but I want more things because it would be so fun. And if I had marble paints, then I wouldn't have to use a spray paint outside. I could use warm water in the house. It's probably not as smelly, right? You could talk me into it. Okay, so I got this one here from Talented Creations. She is Allie. She is the one who actually sent me some really cute gnome earrings, and I had posted a video of me opening them, but included was a really cute gnome, which kind of sparked the idea. It reminded me about artist trading cards, which then made me want to make that video, which ended up going crazy. So I love Allie with Talented Creations. You should go find her and then you can follow her. She has a cute little Etsy shop. So this cute little gnome, it says hello again. Isn't it cute? So cute. Oh, so I'm gonna open this one now. I can't wait. I I literally have so many videos I want to post today, but I don't want to like overdo it because I could. You know, as someone who likes to create things, I do tend to make a lot of videos that don't get posted, but you just never know what might be coming. Okay. I love that she's got this like homemade paper. She packages everything up so cute. I love it. Hello again. Thanks for starting this. It's so fun. Cannot wait to see the cards I get. Hope one is from you. I will definitely include one from me. Thank you so much. From Allie from Talented Creations. Sorry for the glitter, the pixie dust. So there's some glitter on there. It's okay. Lady likes the glitter. She's sitting on me right now, so she can be a little glitter. She's got a little sparkle in her. I know I'm live. It's working. I don't know why, and I don't want to touch anything. But I'm opening artist trading cards right now. I literally did not think that this was going to work. So I like sat down expecting that I was going to have to just record it and post it. But look at us right now. We're doing it. It's like a birthday present from TikTok. Thank you. Oh, this is so neat. Okay, so this is, so Allie is from, I don't even know how to pronounce the name of the town you're from. Blountville, Tennessee. So on the back, Blountville? I don't know. Blountville. Cut out pictures from magazines, acrylic paint, and a pen. So this is really cool. So and you can send these in, these cards, as long as it's like something that you created. So you wouldn't want to like print something from someone else, but you can create your card however you want to. That's really cool. So cool. Oh, look at this little mushroom house. Look at that. So cute. And she gets, like, there's so much in there. Do you think it's because you're inside? No, because I couldn't go live at the studio either. And I was actually, like, yesterday I tried going live in the house and I still couldn't. So it was some sort of glitch. I know it was, because I had no problem doing other things with my internet. So tap the screen. Who, me? There, you're there. Wait, what do you mean? What am I supposed to do? Tap the screen? I'm tapping. What do I do? I don't know. So this is from Allie from Talented Creations. I'm just so excited to be here with you all. Here is a beautiful butterfly. Look at that. So beautiful. Oh, I think if you tap the screen, it means that more people will, then it thinks that this is a good video, and then people will come in more. So that would be really cool. You could do that. Yes, you can send likes by tapping on the screen. Okay, thank you. This is so pretty. Thank you so much. This is watercolor and pen. So those three were from Allie from Talented Creations. And then I have one more envelope. Oh, I don't want to show you the address there. This is cool. Now, this one, it was almost open when the mail lady delivered it. So hopefully nothing fell out. But I'm very excited about this because it looks like it is jam-packed with cards. It is definitely jam-packed with cards. There's a lot of cards in here. So, okay, there's a note. Oh, and there's some stamps falling out too. Dear iHeart Art Studios, hi, I'm Dorothy. Hello, Dorothy. Thank you so much. And you may or may not remember, I've already sent in another letter. That is so awesome. I love the artist trading cards so much, I wanted to send another letter. I've included 14 traditional paper cards, and I've also included 10 canvas cards. I thought of the canvas cards because, like last time, I painted paper and it didn't exactly feel right. So instead, I decided to pull apart some canvases, paint them like normal, and then I cut them down to size. That is such a cool idea. I've actually thought about doing that, but I haven't done that yet. From the 10 pieces of canvas, they made 3 different paintings. I taped the different paintings together so it's easier to keep them in the correct order. Then, of course, after the pictures, you can simply take the tape off and send them out. Also, because of the amount, I only ask for 6 in return. Well, thank you very much. I love that you came up with this idea and that you are willing to spread around other people's art, and I am very happy to participate for a second time. I hope you love all the cards. Dorothy, this is so wonderful. And she's also included a small flower keychain and some extra stamps. Aww, this is so awesome. The only thing I'm worried about is maybe the keychain might have fallen out in the mail because the envelope was kind of open. But I'll take a look here as I go through things. But some stamps, so thank you so much for that. Let me just look in here just to make sure. The envelope, it looks like it had a little bit of a mishap on the way here. It really has some like holes and things in it. So hopefully we'll see how this goes. Okay. Oh, so many cool things here. Ooh, oh, this is really cool. Okay, I'm gonna try and open this carefully because it's all taped together. Look at this. That is so awesome. Oh my gosh. But then, see on the back here, it's like taped so you can take them apart. But that is so neat. So this is all from Dorothy Nooms from New Mexico. Thank you so much, Dorothy. What a creative thing to do. I hope this idea will inspire some of you guys to do something like this too. And this, you could do things like this with tape and things like that, where you can use tape. I actually made a YouTube video where I used tape and I've done like geometric shapes with it, and then you just paint in there. Of course, this looks a little bit more fancy than just tape, but it is very cool. So beautiful. Thank you, thank you. Oh, and then there's more here. Oh, I hope I didn't break these apart here. I think these, like, maybe I did. I don't know, because these ones here are like this. Oh, they must be separate. Look at that. So cool. This is all from Dorothy Nooms from New Mexico on the back. So cool. And then these are just individual cards, basically. But she's taped them together so that way we can see how they look all together. So cool. And then some fun little cards. Winnie the Pooh stamped with love. Here is another Winnie the Pooh with love. I love Winnie the Pooh. This one here says laugh. You don't have to have an imagination. You can just go Google artist trading card ideas, and there's a million different ideas out there. All right, let me see what this one is. It looks like a sun and a moon with some stamps on it. I don't know exactly, but very cool. This one here is, a moon with like a cabin on it. Ooh, a beautiful flower. There are a lot. She did send me a lot. So it's really nice that she did this. And also I'm happy that she said that she only wants so many in return, because then that will help me to keep up with things. Oh, this is cute. It's a little puzzle piece. Everyone has a place somewhere. Oh, that's so true. Here it says hope with Winnie the Pooh. Joy with Winnie the Pooh. Peace with Winnie the Pooh. Here is a turtle swimming. Here is just some cute little drawings and stamps all together. Oh, I like this one. A heart with some wings. Aww. So cute. So those are all the ones I received from Dorothy. And it does appear that I don't see a keychain in here. But hopefully the mail lady would have found it and just enjoyed it herself. So, but thank you so much for that. I have to get up because I want to show you something very exciting. I just have to get the puppies off of me here for a second.